This is Carson's toy review.
Okay, today I'm going to be reviewing the Oball Bounce-O-Bunch Activity Center. This has 13 plus captivating activities. It also has lights, sounds, and melodies. It's got an exciting bounce pad with 3 height positions here. And what's also nice is it has 2 removable toy stations which you can detach and your baby can play with in his playpen or on the ground. Okay, here's the baby jumper put together. Got the different melodies here. Turn this and it can go to just a noise. Little chimes. Extra holders here. These are all for different special toys that you want to put on yourself. It's got this really neat rolling ball here. I really think my son's gonna like that. Kind of like the toys waiting in the dentist's office here. You just push them around. Pretty sure my little guy's gonna be chewing on this. You can bend it. Here we got this ball. Kids love to spin. And you can also squeeze it and bite it. And on the bottom here you can see it's got a little bouncy pad. Now I just need to put my son in this and let him play with it and see how much he likes it.